Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is an E55 AMG 2004. This car is an absolute mint, guys. Only 38k on the clock in 2004. The car is immaculate, and what we've done is to keep the new up-to-date style. We've obviously retrofitted in this new OEM style stereo. So we took the old one out, as you can see. This is the old one, and now this is the new one with the full built-in screen, running full Android. Also got CarPlay and Android Auto built in, so you can connect up your phone using USB, and your favorite app show up on here. So it has not changed any of the original look of the vehicle, still looks original. And also, because it's running full Android, you got access to the App Store, and you can log in and download any app you want on here. It's got full Bluetooth as well built in, and also you can watch videos using CD, or you can use YouTube or Netflix and all that. You can download and get on here as well to watch. So yeah, if you want something like this done on your vehicle, to convert it to update to the new modern standard with new features, just give us a call on 028 554 5554, or come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Ganshill. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.